All right, let's go test this thing out. Kind of the final test before I bring it in. Back brakes are a little, must be some stuff on the pads or something to burn in. Gears are good. I'm going to shift down. Oh, I see a problem already. A stick. Come on, bro. I'm trying to test a bike here. Come on, Mother Nature. Trying to test a bike, Mother Nature. Yeah, gears are good on this one. And the fork straighten is decent. I mean, I don't feel any problem here. Yeah, this is good. You know we're gonna hit the burn pile, right? We have to. Woohoo! Test it. Oh yeah, test it. Straight test it. Yeah, I had to change the rim liners, and I changed a front rim out to the Schwinn rim that was left on here. It needed a repacking, and it didn't match the back rim. So I just switched it out to one that I had that matched, that was already repacked. No one's gonna care. They're getting a better deal anyway. This one I put on here is straighter, and it matches. Yeah. Yeah, nothing wrong with these forks. This is a good bike. I don't think I'm even gonna bother putting in the upper gears. Oh, I should probably do it. Yeah, the upper gear worked. Yeah, chain is good. Gears are good on this thing. All right, let's go donate it before it breaks. The rim liners were atrocious. I'll show them to you. Let me shift it back down here. Okay. Yeah, decent gears. Brakes are good. Back brake, there must be some, maybe it needs new pads in the back. They're okay. They must be contaminated with something. Front pads are good. Oh yeah, we're doing good, folks. Someone's gonna have a pretty decent bike. Just hope they don't have to raise the seat post. Woo! Yep, overall I think we're doing pretty good. Has a kickstand. Yeah, I think somebody at Habitat's going to be a very happy camper. Changed the tires out. These were really bad. I'm going to throw these away, actually. Yeah, these were really bad. Ready to go. Tubes are decent. I might save those tubes, but they're kind of rusty looking. Little damage here from when I was trying to get the seat post out. Other than that, it's a pretty good bike. Now it has a matching front rim. That's good. And this is how you don't repair a rim liner. You just don't repair rim liners, you know. You either make some homemade ones, or you, yeah, rusty. Oh, in two spots. Oh, I just saw that one over here. Let's see what's going on down here. Oh yeah, two spots. Yeah. Black tape. Okay, black tape is not the answer, folks. Rim tape, yes. Black tape, no. And then this one that came off the front that I just switched out anyway. It's just old and shrunken and plastic and rusty. and it was not covering the spokes very well. There was a couple spokes that it wasn't covering. It's just shrunken plastic and rusty. And bye-bye. I can go in the can too. Yep. We switched this rim out. We kept it. And the only reason is it's a Schwinn rim, and it can go on another Schwinn 10-speed and look presentable. It needs to be repacked, but it doesn't match the back. And this one was straighter, and I just repacked it for another project. So they have matching rims, and this is repacked. So I don't think anybody's gonna smite me for that one. So we do have some really good tires for the Triumph. Some aggressive tread on here. It's been a while since you could even find these, but they are pretty aggressive tread. 26 by 1 3/8. And so you guys got to vote. Did we work on this Triumph here, or do we work on this flamboyant red collegiate 73 or 4? I can't remember. Anyway, those two, this one or the Triumph. I'll post something in the community feed. I've got tires for both bikes. I have parts for both bikes. And also I have a 3-speed shifter that goes on the bar for the Triumph. I'll put that in the comments. Maybe you guys want to see a 3-speed muscle shifter on the Triumph. I do have one. It would look pretty goofy, but you know, I'm pretty goofy. Now remember, not everything is a win, folks. We tried really hard to get this post out, and I gave it my all. And not everything is a win, and that makes the things that are a win, you know, more of a sweet thing. It's just, I'm just being realistic. Sometimes without burning the paint on the frame with oxyacetylene, or I mean, there are tools to get them out. I don't have all these tools. I was gonna put the bike upside down and tie an anvil to the seat and spray some vinegar in there, and you know, it's up high enough. It's in the middle section. It isn't frozen. It just won't come up out of there. So maybe someone can work on it. Maybe someone's gonna be, oh, this fits me perfectly. It's a good bike. It's a 79 made in Japan Latour, and the emblems are faded off. So it's going to Habitat probably today, because it needs to go. Anyway, remember to vote on those two bikes, the Triumph or the Collegiate, and I'll put something in the community feed so you can vacillate. And I might even have a picture of the 3-speed muscle shifter, you know, because when you're riding an English 3-speed bike, you know, you need that muscle shifter on the bar, you know. All right, peace out, folks. Okay, we're off to Habitat. We're gonna donate this bike. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Yeah, the seat post is kind of not coming out, but it's not frozen. It's just not coming out. I got some decent tires on it. You saw the test ride already. If you're already this far into the video, you saw the test ride. Gears are good. Back brakes, could use some new pads. You know what? We're gonna pass the savings on. Let's get down to Habitat now. Oh boy, we got traffic. Okay, I'll see you at Habitat.